I'm Nick Turner, Head of Technical Product Innovation at CKO. I'm excited to share a fantastic feature from our new brake light camera range that's all about versatility. These cameras come with 2 loop wires which allow you to customize the setup to meet your customer's requirements. At the point of installation, you can change the TV system or FPS settings. By default, the cameras are set to AHD 1080p 25 frames per second. The green wire loop, when uncut, is 25 FPS or PAL. After the wire is cut, the camera will output in 30 FPS or NTSC. The orange or white wire loop, when uncut, is AHD 1080p. When cut, it will be CVBS, also known as D1. You can easily reconnect these wires to switch back to the default camera settings. Perfect for instances when your customers are not sure what video format their OEM infotainment system requires, or if you need to sync with existing dash cameras or DVRs. CKO have a growing range of vehicle-specific brake light cameras for the most popular vehicle makes and models. Our cameras come with extension and adapter cables in the box to allow for connectivity with different devices. Additional length extension cables and wire leads are also available from stock. For more information about this range of brake light cameras, please visit our website www.c-ko.co.uk or call the sales team on 0208 863 833.